Hello everyone, I am Danica Timtim, 23 years old, from Molave, Zamboanga del Sur, Philippines. I am a DOST alumna and currently a special science teacher teaching K-12 students English and research subjects. I graduated Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, major in Multimedia Systems at Mindanao State University, Iligan Institute of Technology. I also gained my professional education certificate at Western Mindanao State University. For 3 years of teaching, I've been handling subjects such as oral communication, English for academic and professional purposes, and practical research. I teach my students how to comprehend academic texts, how to write based on the purpose they want to convey, and to communicate properly to their audience. Teaching also helped me to enhance my oral and written communication skills. During the pandemic, I utilized the use of technology in teaching my students. I created a YouTube channel wherein I upload my videos and tutorials to help my students understand their modules. It was made in the hopes of making the lessons accessible to the students anytime, anywhere. I am also experienced in multimedia editing. I am a video editor in our school, and I created videos that would help disseminate information to our parents and students about the new normal protocols in our school. I also took part in editing the very first virtual graduation conducted in our school. Creating videos is a way of communicating to your audience with the purpose of entertaining and informing them at the same time. Currently, I am participating in an ESL training conducted by the Department of Information and Communications Technology, which helps to enhance my professional skills and to make me ready to go beyond the four walls of the classroom. Having these experiences, I can say that I am both technical and creative when it comes to my work. I always stick to the rules, however, make my discussions fun and entertaining using different strategies and technologies. You can visit my portfolio and website at teacherdantutorials.strikingnew.com to know more about me and to know the services that I offer. Thank you for listening everyone and enjoy your day. Hoping to hear from you soon.